2022 Audi 7 Rupees Sportback V8 4.0 Twin Turbo. There are some cars that come, end up renowned, and be related only right up until the time they are provide. And then there are people who keep a long-lasting feeling very well once they go. This masterwork from Audi remaining 3 in the past but has lastly manufactured a triumphant return. What you have to get from 2022 Audi R7 Sportback. This portion is all about appears, ain't it? Absolutely everyone who purchases a new car with this sector absolutely prefers their car to appear the aspect and transform heads when motivated out and about. And to provide to that considered, the 2022 Audi R7 Sportback will not let you down, having its sharpened and extreme restyle. Featuring its special Sportback design, the R7 obtains a much more ready appearance than most of its competition. Whilst the earlier designs checked really identical to the S7, the 2022 Audi R7 seam is one that fits its stature and segmentation perfectly. In other words, the year 2022 confirms with the 2022 Audi R7 Sportback any little bit. Despite the fact that it's determined by the A7 platform, the R7 features a more expansive body as well as blacked out design elements, all more than the exterior of the car, growing the beastly overall appeal of the car. Wide open the gateways to be able to the 2022 Audi R7. In addition to you are accepted by the Audi's many virtual cockpit. The particular quality of resources used inside of are undoubted of the almost all superior quality, and the interior is perfectly organized. Using an all-black interior you get contrasting red piping stitches which is reminiscent of the R's elements. These small changes give the R7 a even more sporty edge, even though supplying the comfort degree of a 6-digit listed luxury sedan. Furthermore, the controls is covered with Alcantara, and whilst the headliner is completed in black towel, even the equipment handle has Alcantara wrapping. The dashboard occurs covered with premium natural leather furniture which can feel terrific to check out, and just as tranquilizing to impression. Specification. Driving the actual 2022 Audi R7 Sportback is a 4.0 L2 turbo V8 which performs together by using a 48V hybrid system to make a whole of 591 HP plus 590 lb-ft of torque. For the new, that sort of power is equal to 4 Honda Civics. Getting all that power on all the tires is an 8-rate automatic which is as sleek to work via as moving a very hot blade by means of butter. The driving dynamics are in which the 2022 Audi R7 Sportback is as outstanding as it could get. The all-tire quattro and directing AWD system, all the used to have got a perception of strength and an unequaled adoration for the path. Increase to this combination the adaptive suspension system, and you could possibly get the best trip for all months that could astonish you like a superfast Sportster in a extended and cozy body. How fuel reliable will the new 2022 Audi R7 Sportback be? The 2022 Audi R7 Sportback is ready of performing 14 mpg in the metropolis, 24 mpg on the freeway, and 19 mpg put together. Create to that a good scaled fuel aquarium, and you get a good quality range to be sufficient for the other features you increase. While the most recent R7 could be labeled as a hybrid, its electronic system functions together with the typical engine. How much the 2022 Audi R7 Sportback price? To retain factors on position, the 2022 Audi R7 Sportback is on the market only as a standalone trim which is listed at $114,995 comprehensive of shipment demand. During this trim, Audi has chucked all the luxuries, sportiness, and the technician attributes that you is ever going to demand, as extended as the R7 is still your reliable steed.